Hey there, friends. Are you overwhelmed by the seemingly endless list of prepping supplies? You're not alone. I was there. Pretty much anyone that's been in prepping for a while has been there or is there. And today we're going to actually work on that. We're going to simplify things and focus on what truly matters when it comes to prepping. So let's dive into strategic prepping and learn how to prioritize effectively. So, first, let's talk about what prioritization truly means in the world of prepping, right? It really comes down to what you truly need to survive and sustainably thrive in any situation. It's, many preppers, myself included, make the mistake of just hoarding items. And this massive hoarding ends up leading to inefficiency as well as just chaos and clutter. What we need to do is we need to focus on the essentials. You'll be much better off and have a much more organized approach towards it and end up with what really matters to helping you obtain that objective. Now, how do we assess our needs? You want to start by considering your personal circumstances. Are you in an urban or a rural environment? Do you have family to care for? What specific risks do you face? These factors will help you identify your essential needs. For example, if you live in a flood prone area, waterproof gear and water purification tools should probably be pretty high on your list. Now, risk assessment is key because it helps you identify potential threats and vulnerabilities specific to your situation. By understanding these risks, you can determine which prepping needs should be prioritized. For instance, if power outages are common in your area, investing in a backup power source should become a priority. Now, once you've assessed the risks, you want to categorize your items into essential groups like food, water, shelter, and medical supplies. This categorization helps you to set realistic goals for each category, ensuring you're prepared for the most likely scenarios. Now, with your needs assessed, it's time to create a prioritization plan. You want to start by listing your essential items and categorizing them. Remember, flexibility is crucial. Your plan should adapt as your circumstances change. For instance, if you move to a different area, your priorities are going to likely shift. Think of your plan as a living document. You're going to want to regularly review and update it to ensure that it's meeting your current needs. All right, so to wrap up, strategic prepping is about being prepared, not overwhelmed. By prioritizing what truly matters, you can ensure you're ready for any situation. And I encourage you to start assessing and prioritizing your prepping needs today. Share your thoughts and comments in the section below. Thanks for watching. And remember, freedom and confidence come through community and training. Appreciate you watching. Stay prepared and stay safe. And by the way, as I close out, let me say this. If there's any topics that you'd like to have covered, let us know in the comments. One of the things I've picked up on that I'm trying to change with my channel is that I cover a lot of intermediate and advanced things in the worlds of prepping and tactics, but I tend to leave out the very basics. And so that's what I'm hoping to change some. I want to hit on for those new coming into the prepping world, because that's one of the most challenging times is when you're brand new. Where do I start? What do I do? And that's what these kind of videos are for. I recognize that a lot of my audience that's kind of further along in the path, this is going to kind of be base knowledge, but I want to make sure we're hitting everyone as we build up this prepping community. And that's it. Until next time, have a great day.